Why choose berry-infused water?
Berry-infused water combines hydration with a burst of natural flavor and nutrients. By soaking berries like strawberries, blueberries, or raspberries in water, you add vitamins and antioxidants without added sugars. Berry-infused water can be a healthier alternative to sodas or sweetened drinks, while making it easier to meet your daily water intake needs.
Hydration with added nutrients.
Drinking berry-infused water helps you stay hydrated, which is crucial for energy, digestion, and healthy skin. Berries contain important vitamins such as vitamin C and beneficial antioxidants. These nutrients gently infuse into your water, enhancing its health benefits without caffeine or artificial ingredients.
Supports healthy skin and digestion.
The antioxidants and vitamins in berries can support your skin's health by fighting free radicals and reducing inflammation. Additionally, staying properly hydrated helps with digestion. Some berries are also a mild source of fiber, which can contribute to overall gut well-being when eaten after infusing.
Simple preparation at home.
Preparing berry-infused water is easy. Wash your favorite fresh or frozen berries and add a handful to a pitcher or bottle of water. Let it sit in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. You can experiment with combinations like strawberries and mint or blueberries and lemon for added flavor and benefits.
Enjoyable and sustainable wellness habit.
Making berry-infused water a daily habit can encourage you to drink more water and reduce reliance on sugary beverages. It's a simple, low-calorie way to support your overall wellness, and you can reuse the berries in smoothies or as a snack. This small change can add both flavor and health benefits to your routine.